welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews brought to you by hollywoodfrodo.com. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this little guy. This is a electric portable ceramic heater by a company called Benuo, B-E-N-U-O, Benuo, and this is an awesome little product. And I say little because this is a space heater, and it's a 950 watt space heater, but it's really fairly small. You can see it fits in the palm of my hand, and I was surprised actually when I opened it up. It was smaller than what I thought it was going to be looking at the pictures online, but it puts out a great amount of heat. 950 watts of heat in high mode, 700 watts of heat in low heat mode, and then it also has a 5 watt fan only mode if you want to use it just as a fan. Has all the features that you would look for in a nice small portable heater, and does a great job doing what you want it to do, which is keeping you warm. Let's talk about some of the cool features that it comes with, and then we'll talk about how it works and that sort of thing. On the top here, you see that you have the buttons. You have your power button to turn it on and off. You have your mode button, and that goes from high heat to low heat to fan only. And then you have the swing or oscillating button. And so you tap that and it oscillates 90 degrees, so it has a very wide range that it goes in when it's oscillating. And it's just a tap. You just tap, turn it on, tap, turn it off. Same thing to turn the power on and off or switch through the modes. Now, besides this power on off button on the top, you have a master power button here on the back. So that's kind of cool because you can turn, when you plug it in and you have it set up where you want it, you turn the power on here. That's the master power, and then you can just use the tap button on the top to turn it on and off, which works really well. While we're talking about what's on the back, also has this great handle which makes it easy to pick up and move it or carry it if you need to, as well as a removable filter. So that's awesome because, you know, a lot of dust and junk in the air, and it has a filter to get that out, and you can remove the filter, wash it, clean it, and then put it back when it's dry, so you can keep the heater working at the highest level. Because if you don't have a filter you can clean, then eventually the filter gets too dirty and it just makes the heater not work as well as it should. So with this you can keep that filter clean, which is also great. What else? It is a ceramic heater. Heating does great. I'm going to talk more about that in a minute. Another feature that's kind of cool, there's a little LED right up under here, and you'll see that when it's operating. Anytime you're in one of the heat modes, the LED lights red to indicate warmth or heat, and when you put it in fan only mode, it turns blue to indicate that you're in fan or cool, to cool you off. And then when you turn it off, of course the LED is off. It has a decent length plug. I think this is about 3.5, probably 4 foot plug to get it to where you need it to be to plug into power. And as far as features go, oh yeah, on the bottom it does have these 4 rubber feet to hold it in place wherever if you're sitting on a desk or somewhere. And then also has this safety function here on the bottom. So if it tips over accidentally, then that's going to come out and it will not operate. That'll cut it off immediately. So that's a safety function to make sure that it's safe in case it accidentally gets knocked over. You're not going to burn your house down or your office down, even though some of you might want to do that from time to time, but this will keep you safe. And I say that because I'm using this in my office. In my office, it's weird. It starts off feeling comfortable about 11 o'clock every day. The air conditioner just kicks in regardless of the weather outside, and it gets really freezing cold. It's freezing for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Then it goes back up to normal, and then in the afternoon it gets freezing again for about an hour. It's really random. So I've been taking this to work. And this is an open office, open cubicle environment. So I just have this sitting on my desk and basically oscillating and blowing directly on me, and it works great. The heat coming out of here at the high heat is a good amount of heat, and if you were going to put this in an enclosed area, so let's say an average sized bedroom, you could use this really to heat an entire bedroom. If it's a small room, you could heat the whole bedroom really easily. If it's a big room, it's going to take a little bit of time, but you could eventually raise the temperature in the whole bedroom, because this thing, not only is it very warm, but it blows, and with the oscillation, you're getting the air mixed in. It does a really great job. Like I said, I was really impressed because I thought this was going to be much bigger than it was. And what I love is that it's not big, that it's very small, it's very portable, but still packs a powerful punch with the 950 watts of heat at the high heat mode. And then all the features that it has, really great heater. There's nothing really bad to say about it. It looks nice, it works great, has all the features and functions that you would want in a heater like this. So I'm loving it, and it's helping keep me from freezing at work. So if you are looking for a space heater, a small little heater for your house or for your office or something, then it'd be hard to find anything better than this. Again, this is by a company called Benuo, and it is available on Amazon. That's where I got mine from. So I will have a link in the description below. You can click that link, jump over to Amazon, and read what other people have said about it, and pick one up for yourself. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product or could benefit from having one, then you can share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist if you want to keep up with future product reviews, or subscribe to my channel to keep up with all the videos that I add in my various playlists. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.